Hey everyone, I hope you all are swast and must and also trying out all my recipes. So sometimes don't you guys feel that you don't feel like having any of your favorite food? Like कुछ भी खाने का मन नहीं करता चाहे वो जितना भी फेवरेट हो मतलब मन ही नहीं करता नहीं यार ये भी नहीं चाहिए या वो भी नहीं चाहिए नहीं आज कुछ भी खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. At such times, a simple slice of bread can come to your rescue. Do you know that? So what you have to do is just slightly toast one slice of bread and apply a lots of almond butter on that and just enjoy it. You'll really feel good. Just try this and you will remember me definitely. So आज की जो रेसिपी है ना वो ब्रेड स्लाइस यूज़ करके ही मैंने बनाई है और ये खुद मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बनाई है और सचमुच मुझे बहुत 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 पसंद आई. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रियली वेरी यम्मी एंड हैवी तो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बट यू नो व्हाट, दिस रेसिपी यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इट ओनली एट द टाइम व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय इट. एक्चुअली मतलब जब आप सर्व करेंगे ना तभी आपको ये बना के इमीडिएटली सर्व करनी है, नहीं तो ये पूरी की पूरी सॉगी हो जाएगी तो you won't enjoy it. So that's the main thing in this recipe. This recipe of toast is really very healthy because it's got palak and also some sweet corn in it. So you'll definitely enjoy it and your kids will also love it. Really. So do try out my recipe and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you still haven't subscribed my channel. If you really like the recipe, please hit that like button and please send a small smiley which will really make me happy. And that's the reason I always say, eat what you like and be happy. So bye for now. Stay healthy, happy and safe. Bye bye until my next video. Bye. you.